Not long after I bought my Arctic Fox truck camper, I upgraded all of the interior lighting to LED. This is one of the recessed ceiling halogen lights. And it's a little plug-and-play LED module that just plugs in right in place of the halogen bulb. It's a G4 base which has 2 pins on the bottom, and this particular LED module has 18 LEDs in it. Now they are dimmable. The main lighting, there's 4 of those, and above the door there's one more that's controlled by a separate switch. To remove the lens, just twist it counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn. And here's a view from the distance. The lamp near the microwave, turning it on and off and dimming it. I also upgraded the lights in the cab over area to LED. For a while it was like every year or every second year Arctic Fox was changing the style of reading lights. This particular reading light uses what's called a BA15D base, which it looks like an 1141, but it has 2 contacts on the bottom, so this LED module is actually a 1076. And I will put the link to this bulb in the description below. It's pretty difficult to get reinstalled. In the bathroom, I installed a cool white 1141. And just like all of the others, it twists in and out. Bayonet single contact base, also known as a BA15S style bulb. I will include the description for that in the section below. I also use the same style, except in warm white, in my double fixture over the dinette. Earlier models of Arctic Fox RVs and truck campers used the progressive dynamic style light fixture in either a single or a double style. Bathroom uses a single lamp. The light over the dinette was a double. I'll also include the link for the warm white in the description below. The stove hood lamp, I also changed that out to LED. It's a 921 wedge style base. Like all of the others, I will include the link to that one in the description below. The outside light fixture above the door, I also changed that to LED. In this particular instance, I changed the entire fixture. The reason I opted to do that is my original fixture was cracked. The housing always had a crack in it from when I first bought the camper. This particular light is the same size as the Bargman style light, and it uses the same lens. So I took a amber lens and installed it over the LEDs. But LEDs are cool white. And the lens has 2 tabs across the top, 1 tab across the bottom. And you just insert the 2 top tabs, squeeze it a little bit until the bottom tab slips into place. I'll include the link for that light in the description below as well. On the passenger side, I added a completely new light fixture where there wasn't one originally.